Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you fix the not authorized to join this experience error on Roblox Mobile. First, let's cover some basic checks. Always start by verifying your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial. Next, make sure your Roblox app is fully updated to its newest version. Sometimes, a simple device restart can resolve many temporary software glitches. Finally, quickly check the Roblox server status online to ensure there aren't any widespread issues affecting everyone. These initial steps often resolve the problem quickly. Moving on, let's look at your account. It's important to confirm you are logged into the correct Roblox account, as different accounts might have varying permissions. Take a moment to review your account's privacy settings. Sometimes, these settings can restrict access to certain experiences. If applicable, check any parental controls that might be active on your account or device, as they can prevent joining specific games. Ensuring your account has the necessary permissions is a key step in troubleshooting this error. If the previous steps didn't work, it's time for more direct app-related fixes. First, try clearing the Roblox app's cache and data through your device settings. This can often resolve corrupted files. If that doesn't help, a complete uninstall and reinstall of the Roblox application is a strong next step. Also, ensure you have at least 500 megabytes of free storage space on your device, as low storage can cause issues. Finally, try joining a different experience to see if the problem is specific to one game. Should the issue persist after trying all these solutions, it's time to reach out for official help. Contact Roblox support directly. They have the tools to investigate account-specific problems. When you contact them, be sure to provide detailed information about the exact error message you're receiving. Also, include your device model and the operating system version you are using, as this information is crucial for their troubleshooting. Remember to check the official Roblox status page for any widespread issues before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.